Rasulullah told them, stay on this hill no matter what happens. And they disputed amongst each other. And you disobeyed the commandment of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam after Allah had brought victory within your reach. You could almost see the victory. The Muslims were defeating the enemy even though they were outmatched and outnumbered, just like they did in Al-Badr. So long as they were following the command of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The minute they disobeyed the command, Allah then said, some of you are then after the worldly gain, while others deserved the akhirah. And He denied you victory over them as a test. Allah denied victory to who? To Sahaba. Best of generation after the Anbiya and Rasul. Why? Because they disobeyed Allah and His Messenger. They made a small mistake. It wasn't even something where they wanted to go against Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It was a mistake that they made and an error that they made. Nonetheless, they disobeyed the command of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and thus Allah wanted to purify them. Allah wanted to teach them a life lesson that victory will only come if you obey Allah and His Messenger. And it is out of the mercy of Allah that we see such defeat take place, so that we may turn back to Him, so that we realize that our strength is only in the strength of Allah. And finally, it is crucial that we unite as Muslims, not based on any nationality, not based on any race nor any flag, but upon the tightest knot that exists, the knot that Allah told us about, the knot of La ilaha illallah, the knot of Tawheed,